In a world teeming with possibilities, where hearts beat with compassion and hands reach out in unity, lies the immense power of collective action and the potential to create profound positive change. It is within this vast realm of limitless potential that we find ourselves on a journey of purpose and transformation, called to embrace the responsibility of making a significant impact that extends far beyond ourselves. Embrace the call to make a difference. For within each of us lies a unique blend of talents, passions, and experiences that, when harnessed, can ignite a fire within our souls and spark a ripple effect of kindness, compassion, and transformation. Let your voice be the catalyst for justice and equality, speaking out against injustice in all its forms, and advocating for the rights and dignity of every human being. Embrace the power of empathy, extending a helping hand to those who are marginalized, oppressed, or in need, lifting them up and empowering them to find their own voice and agency. Nurture a sense of unity that transcends borders and boundaries, realizing that we are all interconnected, and that our collective well-being is intricately linked. Embrace the stewardship of our planet, recognizing that we are custodians of this earth, with a responsibility to protect and preserve the delicate ecosystems that sustain us. Embrace sustainable practices in every aspect of your life, making conscious choices that reduce our carbon footprint, conserve resources, and safeguard the biodiversity and natural wonders that surround us. Let your actions be guided by a deep reverence for nature, instilling in others a sense of awe and respect for the interconnected web of life that sustains us all. Embrace the power of education and empowerment, understanding that knowledge is the cornerstone upon which progress is built. Advocate for quality education for all, knowing that it is the key that unlocks doors of opportunity and breaks the chains of poverty and inequality. Embrace the power of lifelong learning, fostering a culture of intellectual curiosity and continuous personal growth. Empower individuals to reach their fullest potential, equipping them with the skills, resources, and support they need to thrive in an ever-changing world. Embrace the power of compassion, recognizing that every living being deserves respect, dignity, and understanding. Embrace the fight against discrimination, prejudice, and intolerance, championing equality and inclusivity in all facets of life. Embrace the beauty of cultural diversity, celebrating the richness that arises when different perspectives come together in harmony, fostering a society that values and cherishes the uniqueness of each individual. Embrace the power of collaboration, for together we can accomplish far more than we ever could alone. Forge partnerships across sectors, cultures, and borders, combining resources, expertise, and passion to address the complex challenges that face humanity. Embrace the power of collective wisdom, recognizing that collaboration cultivates innovative solutions, fosters social cohesion, and paves the way for a brighter and more sustainable future for all. Embrace the power of kindness, for it is the universal language that transcends differences and touches hearts. Embrace small acts of kindness in your everyday life, for they have the power to illuminate someone's world, restore faith in humanity, and create a ripple effect of positivity that spreads far and wide. Embrace the power of forgiveness, recognizing its capacity to heal wounds, foster reconciliation, and release the burdens that weigh down our souls, freeing us to live more fully and authentically. Embrace the power of love, for it is the force that binds us together as one human family. Embrace love as the guiding principle in all your interactions, nurturing a culture of respect, empathy, and care. Embrace the power of self-love, recognizing that by cultivating a deep sense of self-acceptance, compassion, and worthiness within ourselves, we create a foundation from which we can truly radiate love out into the world, touching the lives of others in profound ways. Dear Changemaker, embrace the profound responsibility and privilege of making a difference in this world. Embrace the understanding that your actions, no matter how small they may seem, have the potential to create a ripple of impact that extends far beyond your own sphere of influence. Embrace the belief that change starts from within, and let your journey be a testament to the power of the human spirit to transcend limitations and Bring about positive transformation. Embrace this extraordinary opportunity to leave a lasting legacy of compassion, justice, and hope. Embrace the understanding that by coming together, we can shape a world that is more just, equitable, and sustainable. Embrace the immense capacity within you to create a better future for generations to come. Embrace the call to make a difference, and let your actions be a beacon of light in a world that yearns for healing, understanding, and transformation. Together, let us create a symphony of love, compassion, and unity that resounds throughout the ages, bringing forth a brighter, more harmonious world for all.